It's the bare face for me. It's the edges for me. It's the layage for me. It's the pluck job for me. It's the customization for me. Like, it's just all the above. It's all the above for me. Like, what's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, leave a comment anytime throughout the video. But as y'all read by the title, I'm just going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me by Nikiss hair. This is the box that it came in. They are a company off of Amazon, and my wig came in this really super cute pink satin bag. Y'all know I love pink. It came with 2 wig caps, which I am using one of them, and then it came with an elastic band inside the box. And yeah, this is clearly like an ombre type wig, y'all. I've never done anything like this color, really. I mean, I've had blonde hair. It was like a synthetic wig, but I haven't had no like dark roots blonde hair like this. This is a 10-inch bob, y'all. This hair is decent or whatever. I don't really have no complaints about it. This is clearly 613 hair at the bottom, so I had to really like put a lot of my serum in this hair because I blow dried on top of straightening it. So I would say put as less heat as you can on this hair because clearly it was processed. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, it's the customization and the plucking for me. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna basically walking y'all through how I installed this unit, how I got it like this, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I think I went over all the details. I think they sent me I'm not sure if this is 150 or 170 because my little paper they put in here says that they may have upgraded it to like 170, but this definitely feels like 150% density. It's just the perfect amount of thickness. I really like how they did the ombre or whatever. And yeah, shout out to Nikiss Hair on Amazon for sending me this unit. And I'm about to just be walking y'all through how I installed it or whatever. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, we finna just hop right into the video. Alright, y'all, so at this point in the video, I had did all my customization off of camera. I did the bleaching, did the plucking, and I let the wig dry, like air dry for the most part. It was about 70%-ish air dry, and then I went in with my blow dryer just to speed the process up. Now, I do recommend less heat as possible with this unit, y'all. This hair was processed, and you can definitely feel in the quality of the hair that is processed. So I don't really know, honestly, if I recommend this wig to you guys. It was like $100, it retails for $100 and something on Amazon. And to be honest, I don't think it's worth $109. Like, I get that it's a color wig and it was processed and it's an ombre wig and it's like 613 here at the bottom. But I don't know, y'all, the quality of the hair was not my favorite. And I'm just gonna be honest, keeping it 100% real over here. I ain't sugarcoating nothing. This wig was only really good for like the first day that I wore it, maybe the second, and that's about it, y'all. Finally found my freaking wax stick after looking so long. Why is it that you find stuff when you're not looking for it, but when you searching high and low you can't find it? Anyways, found my wax stick, got my ghost bond. But before I get ready to glue my wig down, I'm actually gonna put my wig back on the mannequin and use my wax stick. I usually always like to use my wax stick, my Care wax stick, and my Got to Be Glued to lay it. All I had was Got to Be Glued spray. But now that I found my wax stick, I'm gonna go back over it. Y'all, what I will say about this wig as well is that I really did like the lace on it, despite the fact that the actual like ends of the hair and how I felt about the wig overall. The lace was pretty good, and that could be a reason why they priced it the way they priced it, because the lace was really good. So I will say that. I don't know if I mentioned, but this was a 10-inch. I think I did. This is a 10-inch bob, but all the details will be in the description box below. It's the customization for me. But anyways, I'm gonna have all of that in the description box, and yeah, so y'all can check the links out, all that good stuff. Now I'm just going in with the ghost bond, and I'm putting a dot on my cap and a dot on my skin, and just blending it out with a popsicle stick. Y'all, I still have yet to master this ball cap method whole thing with my low hairline. So whatever, I just try to work with it the best way I can, and I always really care about the end result rather than what's underneath my wigs, to be honest. But eventually I will take time and really learn how to do it in a seamless way. Until then, this is how I'm doing it, and it still turned out pretty good. But as y'all can see, this is some good lace because it kind of has a transparent look to it, in my opinion, like, because you can clearly see my ball cap straight through the lace. When it was exactly like on that extra lace part, if that makes any sense. Like, now you can't really see it. But yeah, that goes to show that this is some good lace, and I think it's like a medium brown color because it blends really well with my skin tone. So yeah, now I'm just going in the areas that need more glue, doing the same method, kind of letting it dry just a little bit. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me continue to install this. So now it's time to take the elastic band off, and that is what it's looking like so far, y'all. I really like the way that I plucked this unit, but now I'm just going in with my straight razor and just cutting that extra lace off of the wig because we don't need that. So now I'm sectioning off my baby hairs, and y'all, I really don't recommend what I'm doing right here. Like, I nearly burnt myself twice, but I was just trying to get the hair to kind of stay down. Now if you want to, you can just part off your baby hairs and then put the elastic band back on, or section them off before you put the elastic band on. That will help them to lay down your face instead of back, because that's how I set it when I did my customization and when I hot combed it back and all that stuff. So yeah, now I'm trying to use this mousse, y'all, because I be watching tutorials and they be using a Nairobi foam to do their baby hairs, but they did not lie. Like, people like I just had a brain fart. People like Slay by Jordan and stuff, they did not lie when they said you had to work fast, because that stuff dries really fast. And so y'all gonna see me using my air dryer while the scarf is on, because honestly I was being impatient. I was ready to get this over and done with, and then I just went in and brushed them out. And I will say that it does give you a softer look, which I really like. But y'all, I just cracked, and I end up going back into my Got To Be Glued and just going over it just a little bit. I didn't use too much, because this will, if you use too much of it, give you like a crunchy look and like a harsh, it just make your edges look harsh, and I didn't want that. So I didn't go in with much of it, and I put the elastic band back over my hair as well as the scarf, and I let that set so everything can melt in and melt together, all that good stuff. Then I went off camera and did my eyebrows while I was letting that set, and now I'm taking the elastic band off, and as y'all can see, they don't look super harsh. I'm just going in with some more of the makeup y'all saw me use from earlier, and then I decided to try this, which I saw by who did I see do this? Jada Jonay. I watch her here on YouTube too, and I saw her do this where she uses her foundation, she puts it on a napkin, and she kind of like lets it get into the napkin a little bit so it's not super wet, and she uses that when she installs her wig. So I want to try that, because sometimes, y'all, I be using the Ruby Kisses makeup and it be giving me like a weird look with the, like with my ring light, when my ring light is on for some odd reason. I don't know how to explain it, but I just tried to use my foundation because it's like right on with my skin. And now I'm just going over doing the finishing touches, hot combing it out, all that good stuff, using a little bit of Got To Be glue to set that into place. And yeah, y'all, that's basically it to this install. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.